Hey guys, and welcome to my review of this MHL to HDMI adapter for the Galaxy Nexus. This will also work with any other phone that has an MHL out. So there you can see there's the port. So what you get is the micro USB connector here, which you plug into your phone. Along here you get a nice side. No decals or anything on this, just a little black box. You've got another micro USB in and your HDMI out. Now I'll pause the video and show you it working. Okay, so I've got it fully hooked up to power and the TV now, and when you plug it in you can see it flips the show you it there. It flips the screen round into this orientation, as you can see being mirrored up there on the TV. It does clip off a little bit of the edges. I think that's just the mode that my TV is in. It's not got very many modes, and it's either tiny clipping or lots of clipping, so this, but as you can see it mirrors everything I do. I'll just show you that here. So if I do that, you can see it follows. Tiny bit of lag, but not much. There you go. And also it plays full sound as well. So what I'll do now is I will show you a quick bit of me playing some GTA. Just skip through these. Right, wait for that to load. Right, so this is all loaded up, and I'll play a quick little bit of GTA just to show you how it works. So you can hear there the sounds coming through. I'll just switch the horrible music off. There we go. And so you can see it's a nice annoying sound. So it's very nice, lag free. You see everything that's happening. Obviously I cannot drive. But yeah, so also another great thing about this is you can hook up a PS3 controller to your phone, and with a few little bits of config you can actually play using a PS3 controller or another wireless controller. You can play any game that is on the Android market on a big screen TV with a PlayStation controller or other controllers, so it's pretty good. So obviously I suck at driving. I'll just quit that. And yeah, so that works for video playback, internet browsing, anything you want to do really. And yeah, highly recommend it. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching.